Yeah, something. Something happened. What happened?
Backpack maybe.
Huh?
Backpack.
Back up for tomorrow.
Better eating there in McDo thing, oh.
Huh?
McDo.
Yeah.
Mac. It's a good Mac.
We have burger on. Soon. So what we'll do now? I'm low battery. Do you have?
We have charger.
Ayun lang ay nag-vlog ko kay Mong Wai nang wow naman ang akong charger.
So, tutorial.
We're now
Around 2 o'clock in the morning.
almost 2 o'clock.
Auntie,
Huh?
Saturo or Diana?
Which better?
I don't know.
Better home.
No.
Home.
Yeah.
Same like this one.
Home is near than Diana.
Yeah.
That's not.
We have Lioness near our house, right?
Yes.
Gila. May ati to daw.
What time was it?
Almost like
Naglukat. Naglukat. There's time mo nakatry sa to.
Ay, of
Ako yan
course.
nagsasakay na rin sa BPO yan sa likod to. Kung gabi na lang ni barkada na mo dira GPRS na sa likod. Yung mga practice na.
Hindi ko balo.
Kabalo?
Before.
Basta kabalo ka magbisikleta. Ang budlay lang tingin, hindi ka kabalo magbisikleta, hindi kasi mabalance.
Really?
Mm.
So I know because you know how
Yeah.
I know how to bike.
Yeah. Kung hindi ka kabalo magbike ay sus. Bisa hasta magabihan, mahapunan ka doon ka lang hindi ka bali. Kung pare mag-practice ka sa bisikleta, pa hindi ka kabalo mag-balance. Hindi ba ka? Kung hindi ka kabalo mag-bike, hindi ka makabalo mag-motor. Kaya hindi mo man mabalance.
It's funny.
Te voy a confesar algo.
Mm.
Comentar algo que resulta irritante de tanto ver.
She's not buying the car but he have scooter. Si Uncle Nunod. Yeah, my uncle. Our lolo.
Nice bikes.
That's why the number one now in China and other country, the electric car, no? The number one is the BYD. That is super power, chargeable beyond your dreams. That is BYD car. That is the powerful electric car. Is powerful than motor because that the new invention. BYD is number one car for electricity beyond your dreams.
Very good car. Very good. It's very expensive. 400,000.
Looks like a boat. Nice. I like that. Naya. Nice.
Only one car I like, Bugatti.
I'd like Pagani.
You search any country, go anywhere. Bugatti is number one, expensive and fastest car.
Rolls Royce and Pagani.
Bugatti is the number one.
I like Innova.
You tell the car all name.
Innova.
Bugatti is the best.
Innova. Innova.
I like Lexus LX570.
Not just a project.
It's a good car. It can go anywhere and it never dies. You know, if there is a zombie apocalypse, you need the Lexus.
Why?
Because it won't die. It'll never break down.
What why? How did
It's over-engineered.
Lexus is
Then
the
why
hot.
did they sell it?
Lexus is the hot car for
Why
Toyota,
did they sell it if
Yeah.
it's over-engineered?
and the hot
will
cars
not
for
make enough
Nissan is
money.
Infinity.
The thing is, Lexus only rich people buy, right? Because it's expensive. So every time they release a new model,
Sold out?
yeah, people just buy the new model, and the old models go in the second hand.
That is the hot cars Toyota, na?
Yeah,
The Lexus, the hot cars for Nissan is Infinity.
Infinity.
The hot cars for Range Rover is Jaguar.
Stop it.
Yeah, I know all the brand. What's the expensive car?
Just let them.
Genesis is like the expensive version for Kia.
Mm.
But the people groups here in Qatar, they're not using Lexus. Why?
Look, that's Lexus. Everyone uses Lexus.
Where? Okay. But
And
that's
also
not
think
just
of
like
the
Land
sporters at
Cruiser.
Sweden. Expensive.
almost same.
Most expensive.
Kasi Casinos.
Hindi.
Because Lexus, for example, the LX570 is 600,000
Ito
riyals.
yung BYD.
How much?
600,000 riyals,
Piece of cake.
right?